Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're talking about something that's near and dear to our hearts, healthy eating. And what better way to stay on track than with salads? They're packed with nutrients and low in calories, making them the perfect meal for weight loss. So, without further ado, let's dive into our top 5 salad ideas for a healthy and low-calorie diet. Salad idea number 1, the classic Caesar salad. When it comes to salads, Caesar salads are a staple. But let's be real, traditional Caesar salads can be heavy on the dressing and cheese. But fear not, by using Greek yogurt as a base for your dressing, you can cut down on the calories and up the protein. And instead of croutons, opt for a sprinkle of almond slivers for a boost of healthy fats. Salad idea number 2, the powerhouse arugula salad. Arugula is a superfood, packed with vitamins and minerals. It's also low in calories and high in fiber. To make this salad, toss together arugula, cherry tomatoes, and cucumbers. Drizzle with a lemon vinaigrette and top with some grilled chicken or shrimp for added protein. Salad idea number 3, the crunchy cabbage slaw. Cabbage is a great low-calorie option for a salad base. It's also packed with vitamin C and other antioxidants. To make this slaw, shred a head of green cabbage and mix with shredded carrots and a simple vinaigrette. Top with some chopped nuts or seeds for a crunchy texture. Salad idea number 4, the Mediterranean chickpea salad. Chickpeas are a great source of protein and fiber, making them perfect for weight loss. To make this salad, toss together chickpeas, chopped tomatoes, cucumbers, red onions, and feta cheese. Drizzle with a simple lemon and olive oil dressing. Salad idea number 5, the berry and spinach salad. Berries are not only delicious but also packed with antioxidants and fiber. To make this salad, toss together fresh spinach, mixed berries, and sliced almonds. Drizzle with a balsamic vinaigrette and top with a sprinkle of feta cheese. And there you have it, our top 5 salad ideas for a healthy and low-calorie diet. These salads are not only delicious but also packed with nutrients and low in calories, making them the perfect meal for weight loss. We hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more healthy eating videos.